Very good morning. I'm Dr. Senthil Kumar, Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology, and I welcome you for this lecture series 4 for the month of July 2023. And let me explain in this video about the characteristics of quality control as well as the quality assurance. The quality characteristics of food, let us first see the sensory quality as well as nutritional quality. To save the sensory quality on seeing the food itself, the color, the flavor, the texture, the size, shape, appearance, freedom from defects, can be assured. Then the nutritional quality, the vitamins, minerals, proteins, energy as carbohydrates or fat as well as the fiber content is present in the food. Anti-nutritional quality like pesticide residues, toxins such as heavy metals, naturally occurring anti-nutritional factors such as cyanide, complexes in cassava, enzymes, inhibitions in vegetables, etc. To separate quality characteristics of food, quality expressed as a financial value. This depends in pan of each of the above factor, but more importantly on the demand for a food versus the available supply. And the microbial quality we can define by means of the various microbes that is present in the food like bacteria, yeast, mold. The difference between safe and pathogenic microorganisms as well as the microbial toxins. Either it is available in a safe level or it is creating toxins to our food. So we should know what is, before that we should know what is quality control. Quality control we generally used to use in the word that is QC is a process through which the business seeks to ensure that product quality is maintained or improved with either reduced or of zero errors. The quality control requires the business to create an environment in which both the management as well as the employees strive for the perfection. This is done by training professionals, checking the benchmarks for the product quality, and testing products for check for statistically significant variations. What is quality control? The major aspect of food control. Quality control is the establishment of well-defined controls. These controls help to standardize both production and reaction to quality issues, limiting rooms for error by specifying which production activity ought to be completed by which personnel, which reduces the chance that employees will be involved in the task for which they do not have adequate training. And to say about the key takeaways of quality control, it is a process through which a business seeks to ensure that product quality is maintained or improved with either reduced or of zero errors. That means the error should be gets reduced day by day, process by process, or by means of even the errors should be goes to a zero level. Quality control involves testing of the units and determining if they are within the specification of the final product. Quality control used in a business is highly dependent on the product or industry, and several techniques exist with the measuring quality. And to say about the understanding the quality control involves testing of the units and determining if they are within the specification for the final product. The purpose of testing is to determine any needs for corrective action in the manufacturing processes. Good quality control helps companies meet consumer demands for better products. Quality testing involves each step of the manufacturing processes. Employees often begin with the testing of the raw materials. That means when the raw material is of not of right quality, thereby we know very well that if end product will be, surely the quality will be of lagging. That they pull samples from along with the manufacturing lines and test for the finished products, etc. Testing at the various stages of manufacturing helps identify where the production problems is occurring and the remedial steps if required to prevent it in the future. To understanding the quality control used in the business is highly dependent on the product or industry. In food and drug manufacturing, the quality control includes ensuring the product does not make the consumers sick so that the company performs chemical and microbiological testings of samples from the production line itself. Because the appearance of the prepared food affect the consumer perception. That means on seeing the food itself, the consumer will lose his perception to buy the food based upon its appearance. The manufacturers may prepare the product according to the package direction or for visual inspection. In automobile manufacturing, quality control focuses on the way that parts fit together, interact, and ensuring the Engines operate smoothly and effectively. In electronics, testing might involve using the meters that measure the flow of electricity, etc. So some of the examples in other field like electronics as well as in automobile. The techniques of quality control, there are several methods of measuring the performance of quality control. A quality control chart is a graphics that depicts whether the sample product or processes or meeting its intended specifications, and if not, the degree by which they vary from those specifications. That means the specification will be fixed, and by means of this quality control chart we can ensure that what is the percentage that it is getting deviated from the expected specification. When each chart analyzes a specific attribute of the product, it is called a unvariate chart. When a chart is measured variance in several product attributes, it is called a multivariate chart. And to save the techniques of quality control, randomly selected products are tested for a given attribute or attributes. The chart is tracking. A common form of quality control chart is a X-bar chart, where the y-axis of the chart tracks the degree to which the variance is tested attributes is acceptable. The x-axis tracks the samples tested. Analyzing the pattern of variance depicted by the quality control chart can help determine if defects are occurring randomly or systematically. The Taguchi method of quality control is another approach that emphasizes the role of research and development, product design as well as product development in reducing the occurrence of defects and failure in production. The Taguchi method considers design to be more important than the manufacturing processes in quality control and tries to eliminate the variance in the production before they occur. The role of quality control inspectors. One who is responsible for checking the quality of the product, we used to term him or her as the quality control inspectors, and let us discuss what is the role of them. Quality control inspectors protect the consumers from defective products and the company from damage to its reputation due to the interior manufacturing processes. When the quality is not good, automatically not only consumer is getting affected, but also the reputation of the industry will also totally gets affected. If the testing process reveals issues within the product, the inspector has the option of fixing the problem himself, returning the product for repairs, or tagging the products for rejection. When issues arise, the inspector notifies supervisors and works with them to correct the problem. Quality assurance in food industry, that is a defect prevention. Quality assurance, that is QA, is a set of activities for ensuring quality in the process by which products are developed. It is a proactive process and aims to prevent defects by concentrating on the process used to make the product. The goal of quality assurance is to improve development and the test processes so that defects don't arise when the product is being developed. Quality assurance can be achieved by establishing a good quality management system and assessing its adequacy. Furthermore, everyone of the team involved in developing a product is responsible for quality assurance. To safeguard quality control, this evaluation of the final product prior to marketing, that is based on the quality check at the end of production chain, aiming at assigning the final product to quality categories such as it is of high quality, regular quality, low quality, or non-marketable. That means when they were by at the end of quality checking, if we came to know it is in the category of non-marketable, then the product will be rejected and it will not be sold to the market. Since at the end of the production chart there is no way to correct the production failure or upgrade the quality of the final product, the low quality product cannot be sold at lower price and the non-marketable products have to be discarded. That means it should be rejected. Their production cost, however, has been high, and those of the high and regular quality prices. Thus, quality control has only the limited potential to increase the quality and efficiency of the multi-step production procedures. And let us see the rules of the quality control. The dominant, that is raw materials, are selected for priority of attention. The selection of raw materials are tested in relation to its contribution of the product quality. The raw materials tested are realized and from the stores only after the test results has been properly recorded. Process control must relate the processing results to the raw material test. Define the critical points in the process and concentrate on this test. Finished product inspection should be reduced in order to minimize the level compatible with the confidence justified by raw materials and the process control. Quality control is effective in propagation to its degree of integration into the overall organization of the factory. To safeguard quality assurance, the ISO definition reads that the assembly of all planned and systematic action necessary to provide adequate confidence that a product, process, or a service will satisfy the given quality requirement. Quality assurance, in contrast to quality control, is the implementation of quality check and procedures to immediately correct any failures and mistakes that is able to reduce the quality of the interim product at every stages of production. Thus, the desired high quality of finished product is planned and obtained. Thank you for watching this video. That is lecture series 4 of the July 2023. Thank you.